Hello guys, a quick one. All right now, if you look through here right now, okay, we have about if I look through here, okay, I think I have about take a look. We have about 7 pages here right now so far. Okay, we have 7 pages, and now how can I turn this to an email and then give it to my followers, those who are buying from me? Okay, as a content creator, okay, I need to give out to those who are buying from me. So one quick way to get your designs like this and turn them to an email for your buyers to read and all of that, okay, it's very simple. You come to Canva, right? Come to Canva and click on these 3 dots. After you have designed this anyway, right, click on the 3 dots up there, and then come over here, click on magic switch. All right, click on magic switch quickly. When you do that, okay, very simple. What did you allow it to load up? Okay, then you go to click on transform into doc. Just do that very fast. Okay, now when you have done that, okay, there are about 1 2 3 4 5 6 options for you right now. Okay, all right, now here you go to see summary, big blog post, poem, all text, email, and song lyrics. Now what I want to show you tonight is about email. Okay, very short one. If you're an international guys or a content creator guys, if you know you want to really inform your people who are following you on your next stop to come, all right, quickly you can turn that design into a email. So quickly tap on email and then tap on transform into doc. Give it some time, all right, then this is going to, the Canva going to do the magic for you, all right? Just give it time, the magic will pop up. So when it is done, right, what you do now is to click on open doc. All right, just tap that and it's going to roll. Give it time. Now your email is ready with the help of Canva. Canva has been able to transform those designs, okay, the design you got, into a piece of text like this, all right, for you, so they can send it to your guys who are following you. You want to email them, okay, you can quickly say hi there, right? Now if you don't want this, okay, you can actually change this. You can actually change that to anything you want to do. You can say hello, all right, you can actually tap and then do this. You can actually, so you can actually do this and then you are good to go. Now maybe in the next arc, okay, I'm going to show you how you can use this to convert to some other beautiful things, okay, by using magic, what, Canva magic, right? You can actually turn that to another beautiful stuff, right? But guys, this is very simple, right? You can actually just tap it like this. You can edit it, okay, you are free to edit. You can highlight and edit, start typing and edit. You can, if you feel that what is in here is not good enough, okay, you can just edit it. You can see very nice email being designed for you with Canva. So guys, follow me for more if you found value in this. All right, I'm going to see you in the next video.